Free Palestine!
Free Palestine!
Free Palestine!
Free Palestine!
Assalamu alaikum, brothers and sisters. Today we are behind the beautiful East London Masjid, and behind me is that banner. Remember that banner I was talking to you about in Brick Lane? It's been moved to behind where the Human Aid head office is. So inshallah, if you're around, come down and do your bit. Sign. Go on, bro.
I have put my message down on this. This is going to Gaza in a couple of weeks' time, this whole banner. Inshallah, this sends a message to the Zions.
Make sure you spell it right, yeah? Make sure you spell it right.
Palestinian fighter.
You're a Palestinian fighter.
Can we get up there?
Yeah, bro.
Yeah.
Say Ayvallah.
Ayvallah.
And the magic word.
What was it, man? I watched it, man.
Hakdir Allah. I'm joking. Don't say that.
Can we go over there?
Yeah, bro. Go where you want. Go on, bro.
Let's go around doing it.
What's up, bro?
Is that your ladder, bro?
Bro, I'm here, man. Don't worry.
Yes, Palestine, yes.
Come on, bro. That's not the way to go about it. Don't look down.
This ain't gonna come off, you know.
Kita. Dear brothers and sisters, if you are around East London, come down to East London Masjid. Just behind it, the banner is here, just on the Human Aid office. MashaAllah, the brothers and sisters are here today. They're putting all their beautiful signatures, all for the support of the brothers and sisters in Palestine. Remember, today in the news, it says a celebration. This is not a time for celebration. This is a time for us to make dua for the brothers and sisters. This is going to go to Gaza. When the people in Gaza see this and they see the names on it, they're going to make dua for you that some brother and sister all the way across the world is thinking of us, MashaAllah. So please come down, put your signature, put your name, put a message so that the brothers and sisters can see it, show the support, show the solidarity. This isn't a time to be egotastic or stubborn or anything like that. Look, at the end of the day, we're all going through hardship. You know, we have the pleasures in London, in the UK, to have good food, to have places to go, to have brothers and sisters around us. These people, believe me, every day they're thinking to themselves, when is going to be their time, you know? Young children dying on a daily basis. You know, I've got young children of my own. When I see this, it breaks my heart. You know, I can't even bear to think what they're going through. So please, make dua. That's the most important thing. Whenever you're praying, put that extra bit of dua in there. Just say, Ya Allah, please give shifa to these brothers and sisters all around the world. Jazakallah khair. Please come down. Assalamu alaikum.